Hey everybody, it's Tim here with Street Freaks Garage. Welcome back to the show. We are gonna go ahead and take you onto a new project here today. Check this out. All right guys, so I thought we'd give you just a little taste of our method for removing some light rust. And rust on the fenders and stuff like this. I want you to get a good look at what this car looks like. You see the rust here on top of the body here. Ground in, you can see it all on top of the door. Quarter panel. I like this stuff. See that rust? Rusty rust? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out in that dent. Just ignore that. All right, we're gonna walk it on the other side. Yes, that's a Pine Ankle Mons nose cone sitting on the back of it, because we just picked that up. Anyways, take it around this side. We're gonna show you the fan. This is how the car looks, right? This is what you're looking at, the rust. Okay? But we tried our method of rust removal. And the whole car, you get the idea of the whole car, how it looks. Except this is how the door looks now. This is not waxed and buffed. Where you see it kind of looks out of place. It almost looks as if the door's been replaced. It's had our treatment done on the top of the door here. It took that rust right off, just like that. It does require a lot of elbow grease, and you can see there's quite a bit more to do. However, we're probably going to test do it on these fenders just for fun, even though the fenders will get replaced because of the rust here. And of course, the rust on the brown. Not very good. We do have a set of mint condition fenders for this thing. And hey, Shop Dog Chevelle, what are you doing? So anyway, it's kind of, I would say the door kind of looked like this. It's kind of like a before and after. Kind of like the bottom of the door, actually. It's kind of before, after. Before, after. Before, after. Say it with me. Before, after. Anyway, you get the idea. So yeah, that's the secret method on the 57 Plymouth 2-door post. Like I said, we got fenders for it. So get some rockers in and get in there and smack that out. Smack that down. And then a little dent down below. But yeah, this one's gonna be just a driver anyway, so cool. And you have it, that's it. Done. Peace.